A lot of dropshippers use AliExpress. A lot of dropshippers use CJ Dropshipping. The big question that everyone asks, which one is better? I'm going to show you whether AliExpress or CJ Dropshipping is the better platform to use to dropship your products from China. I'm going to show you what gets the better shipping times, what is the better product quality, what is the better communication. I've used both platforms through my e-commerce journey. Like this video if it helps you out, guys, and subscribe to the channel because I'm going to continue dropping heat week after week so that you guys can succeed with your dropshipping stores. Let's go through these one by one. So the first thing, let's talk about suppliers. If you go to 10 different products from AliExpress, you're gonna see that all of these suppliers are gonna have different ratings from positive feedback scores. Item as described, communication, shipping speed. This one is pretty good, 4.8 all above. So if you're using AliExpress, you can still find great suppliers that have great communication and that ship high quality products out to your customers. But what you're gonna notice is that a majority of them are like sporting goods store. They suck. 90.5% positive feedback. In my experience, anything below a 96%, you're working in danger territory. Shipping times become slow. Communication is not good. Like, there are some cons to working with AliExpress. You just have to pick your suppliers very, very, very carefully. Now, the thing I really like about AliExpress, if you do find a product like this on CJ Dropshipping, what you can do is Google search the image and find a supplier on AliExpress that sells this exact product, and you could scrape some really good product photos if you can't find them on CJ Dropshipping or any other dropshipping platform. So what I did was I dragged a picture of this rose bear into a new tab, and from here you can just search image with Google, and then it's going to search for products like this. It's going to search for other links that have the same picture, so you could see here. And what you want to do is just find this product on Alibaba. You could find this product on AliExpress and see if they have more cool pictures that you didn't have on CJ Dropshipping. You could scrape all of the images because there's some pretty cool stuff here, and you can do this for any product. I really like to use AliExpress for this. Now let's talk about CJ Dropshipping for a little bit. I really do appreciate CJ Dropshipping. I just recently started using it, and the reason why I like CJ Dropshipping is because the fulfillment is very good. It's on point. If you need to communicate, you can get a WhatsApp communication. You can get their number. You even get assigned a private agent after you make an account. After like a few days or something, they know you're serious. The communication is very good. For me, it's going to be at night because of the time difference. And the thing that I think is really cool, you can source products from any other platform. You can source products from AliExpress. If you want to source any type of product that is sold in China, CJ Dropshipping will allow you to source that product back to their platform, so you could stay using CJ Dropshipping and sell that product that was found on AliExpress. And another cool thing is you can find products by dragging and dropping images to search for that product on CJ Dropshipping to see if it already exists on the platform. So what we did was we just did an image search by clicking this camera button right here, the icon, and we looked for this dog product. Immediately we found it on CJ Dropshipping, and if we didn't, we could source it. Now, the other cool thing I really like about CJ Dropshipping, they do product quality checks upon sourcing products. So let's say we want to source this rose bear because it was on AliExpress and not CJ Dropshipping. The cool thing about this is they're going to order the product and make sure it is quality. If it's not, they're going to order from another manufacturer until they retain that quality, because CJ Dropshipping doesn't want to be known for bad quality, slow shipping times, bad communication. They are a very good platform in my opinion. I highly recommend to use them over AliExpress, but I highly recommend to use AliExpress to find products, to find product images. You just want to stay away from the trash suppliers on AliExpress if you're going to go that route. But personally, I'm going to stay with CJ Dropshipping until I get enough orders with my dropshipping store to switch over to my agent. Now, the other cool thing about CJ Dropshipping, you can look down here. They have a ton of different shipping methods that AliExpress doesn't offer, and some of them are not too expensive. We'll look at a different example because you could see all of these shipping prices are really expensive for this product, but they're not all like that. Okay, so this product right here, it's like a little dog collar, and you could see how the total price is $539 to $582. So we're gonna pick large for this. It's $592. That's including shipping. The shipping fee is majority of the price. Now look, this is 7 to 15 days estimated delivery time, and the shipping is only $364. Now the cool thing, if you have a really high profit margin for your product, you can see all the shipping methods they offer. So this one is the CJ packet ordinary. This is their standard shipping method, 7 to 15 days. But if you scroll down, you can see 4 to 9 days, and you're only going to be charged $457 as opposed to, what was this one, $364. So that is so worth it to pay an extra $1 to get almost half the time in shipping days. So CJ packet fast ordinary, AliExpress has options like this, but they're all hidden. You would have to communicate with the supplier first, ask them if they have it. It's a big hassle. With CJ Dropshipping, You don't need to do that. You find your product, and if it's not on the platform, you source it, you find a good shipping method, you make sure there's a good profit margin. You still want to prove this product in the market first. As soon as it starts selling and you know you can do well with this product, order it yourself and still do your own quality check, but prove it in the market first. So you could do your research on AliExpress, CJ Dropshipping. You could test them both, what you like. My favorite, I'm gonna go with CJ Dropshipping. They have not done me dirty so far. So for those of you who are serious with succeeding in dropshipping and you won't give up until you do, I have a 21-day Facebook program, and it's not just a Facebook program. It's a whole e-commerce blueprint that I condensed from 3 months into 21 days because I don't think you need 3 months to be able to get the basics down, to be able to run ads, to be able to make sales, and then scale from there. 21 days is enough from what I'm seeing. So this actually led one of my students to getting $6K a day. She came to me at $300 a month. So within this program, I provide one-on-one calls, and I have a copy-paste system. If you're interested in that, click the link down below, guys. Schedule a free call with me, and then I could see if I could help you out. Subscribe to the channel, guys. See you next time.